Something is waking inside those old walls. This place feels strange. I don't know why, but something is calling me. Hey, don't wander too much. This palace makes scary noises at night. The spirit of Nagavali still lives here.
Stop scaring us with your story.
Why does this room feel familiar?
Ganga, you're acting different. Are you okay?
Lion! Lion, come quick! Something bad is happening!
Everyone relax. Let me see what's going on here.
She is fighting something within herself.
What can stop me?
Your battle ended long ago.
I will not be controlled!
Ganga, breathe. Find yourself inside the darkness.
What happened to me? You're safe now.
Yay! The lion fixed everything!
See? I told you spirits are real.
The forest returns to peace, and the animals step into the light with relief and joy.
Please subscribe, like, and share.